really going on a goose hunt, but more of a dog hunt. Not hunting dogs. I'm looking for my dog. So hopefully nobody robs us on my way. Oh God. My dog is so stupid. I'm curious. That's what sucks with dogs the most. Their curiosity. Marley! She's a white lab. Marley! Shh. God, this sucks. I see it's cool on the distance. I don't know if Marley's over here. Does this look like, is this a cool shot? Ready? Was it? Let me see. Marley!
Attention everyone that I want to see.
Got a call.
That I wrote especially for this occasion when I was up there among the flames. Ready?
Hello?
Hi, I have her.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Where was she? Damn it. Don't you hate when that happens? I'll call her back. Contacts. Mama. Mobile. Sorry, my hair looks bad. I was wearing a hat.
Hello?
Where was she?
A block over.
What?
She was around the way. Come
Alright.
on the street that's like right behind us, where that house that we look at their backyard and they look at ours, she was at their house.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
You. Bye.
Okay, now that we... Jesus. Good thing I have a 6-foot drop case. God, I love that case. Can I tell you how many times it saves my ass? How many times it has saved my ass? Ugh. It would suck. My dog was over here. Look at that. Just both ways. Okay, I'm gonna take you where my dog was. And then I'll show you my donkey. These are like the scariest moments in your life. When you don't know where your best friend is. Like a couple minutes ago, she pissed on the floor. You yell at her and put her outside. And of course, you're packing on a trip to go somewhere 6 hours away in a car, and you have to get a cooler on the side of the house. So you open the gate and you get the cooler and you leave the gate open. And I think you can tell what happens next. Okay. High action shot time. That blue house up there in the corner. Oh, you can see the cell phone towers. Kinda cool. Ready? Not very cool. Okay. Big white vans. Okay. Our house is a blue house down there. Okay. So here, where she was, over here, by the white vans. That's what disturbs me. Isn't that just like disturbing? Oh, there's Matt. Well, my mom runs a daycare, and Matt's one of the dads of his sons, and he left his kids, Evan. Oh, he's Evan's boss. Evan's blanket. So, oh, saw a lightsaber. Oh yeah. Hey guys, sorry, my storage was full, so this is part 2. You know, I gotta pick up my lightsaber. Oh, we should go jousting. Ready? Oh, I hit the barrel. I was going no hands because 1, I'm holding you guys, and 2, I had that, and I was just trying to throw it. It's the first time it smells like cap guns, you know? That smell. I'm gonna smoke afterwards. Shit, that car's dirty. I was waving to Matt with you guys. YouTube, you local viewer. Oh, you don't want to go with that. It's because you hit it hard. It goes. I went to see where Marley was probably at. Peace on the streets. Signing out. Part 3. Say hi, local viewer. Look, say hi. Dumbass. Are you excited to be home and see me? Oh, that feel good? Oh, yes. So peace on the streets, dog. Get it? Dog. Alright, Marley. Here. Alright, signing out. Jackson here. Peace on the streets. Say bye.